Hi, I'm David from TPAS, and got something a bit different today. It's about 6:30 on Friday morning, and this is where I cycle every day to work, across the Cardiff Bay barrage. I don't know if you can see the barrage here. Why am I here today? It's a really interesting community initiative, and it's to do with swifts. Now, swifter birds are struggling at the moment. I'll come on to why. And Cardiff Bay put something in here. I don't know if you can see this. Is it a bit of art? Is it a solar panel you might be able to see on there? What is it? Well, actually, it's a really interesting swift box. So it's a project funded by the National Lottery from a bid from Glamorgan Bird Club, the RSPB Cymru, and the Cardiff Harbour Authority. It's basically 90 nesting boxes. And what's really interesting, it's in the shape, it's meant to be influenced by the shape of a swift. And what's interesting, it's got a solar panel on the top. And the solar panel makes the sound of swifts. So our swifts, when they're flying around, go, what's that? And they come and have a look. And in there are nesting boxes perfect for them. So why do we need nesting boxes? The reality is that swifts have always nested in nooks and crannies of old buildings and old churches and old dilapidated buildings. The reality is they're getting redeveloped these days. New modern methods of building and methods of construction means there's not all these nooks and crannies for them. So when they come back, when they go to Africa in the winter, I think it is, when they come here in summer, their buildings have gone. So, and we've seen in the news as well, people putting netting up and all sorts of stuff on cliffs. So this has gone up. I think it's a wonderful thing. It's perfect, I'm told on the press release, it's perfect for Cardiff Bay in terms of their nesting and the types of things that they eat around here. Don't think there's much more to say really. There's another one already in Wales, in Barry, and the press release also says there's one in Belfast, Exeter, Warsaw. It cost about £27,000, but it came, as I say, from a lottery bid, and I think it's wonderful. I don't know if the iPad's able to pick up the sound of the swifts. This is an artificial sound generated, let's say, powered by the solar panels on the top of it, and it's saying, "Come and nest here," and I think that's wonderful. So something different from TPAS Cymru. Thanks very much.